Good morning, my friends. Ellen here. Hope all you're doing well. Welcome back to my Southern Kitchen and the 7th episode of Ellen's Christmas Series 2022. I apologize for my voice, my friends. My sinus has been acting up and this weather has been changing. First it was hot, then it was cold. This Texas weather. But anyway, it is so cold outside and I'm wearing my pajamas and I got a great recipe that'll be perfect for this cozy day. We're gonna make baked oatmeal. That's right, sugar, baked oatmeal. And my friends, these are so simple and easy to make. The bomb.com delicious and it's gonna be bursting with flavor. This would be also great to serve on Christmas morning to serve with your family. Also Christmas brunch. Everybody's gonna love and enjoy this. And I'll post a complete recipe along with the instructions down below in the description box. And also check out my breakfast and brunch recipes playlist, my Christmas treats recipes playlist, and my previous video, cherry white chocolate chip cookies. I'll post a link to those down below in the description box. So grab your baking pan, your spices, and your oatmeal sugar, because we're about to bake some oatmeal magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright, my friends, in my large bowl, I have 2 cups of oatmeal. I'm using 1-minute oatmeal, or you can use the old-fashioned oatmeal. And into our oatmeal, we're going to add in 1½ teaspoons of ground cinnamon and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. And ½ cup of packed light brown sugar. And if you don't like your oatmeal too sweet, you can cut it down to 1/3 cup. Going to give it a quick whisk until everything is well combined. Alrighty, so now we're going to set the dry ingredients aside while we work on the wet ingredients. In my measuring cup, I have 1½ cups of my favorite milk, evaporated milk. And we're going to add in ½ cup of applesauce. One large egg at room temperature that is lightly beaten. And 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter that melted and cooled. And 1 teaspoon of pure maple extract. Give it a quick whisk until everything is well blended. Alrighty, now ready to pour our wet ingredients into the dry ingredients. And now we're going to add in 1/3 cup of fresh cranberries that I roasted in the oven, or you can use dried cranberries. We're going to stir all these ingredients together until they're well incorporated. You can also use raisins or dried blueberries, dried cherries, whatever your heart desires. And also, Valentine's Day coming up soon, you can add some chocolate chips. Can smell the maple extract. Alright, as soon as I get through stirring up everything, I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, I'm through mixing up my oatmeal. Now we're ready to pour it into our pan. We're going to pour it in the 8 by 8 inch square baking dish that I spray with cooking spray, or you could grease it with butter. Alrighty, now we're ready to put our oatmeal in the oven. Oven's preheated to 375 degrees. We're going to let it bake for about 25 minutes. And I'll bring you back. Alright, my friends, there you have it. Southern baked oatmeal. Doesn't that look good? I just taken it out of the oven. And look at the cranberries just oozing out of there. And the smells heavenly. Alright, so now I'm going to let the oatmeal rest. And then I'll fix me up a bowl. And we'll give it a taste. Alright, my friends, I fixed me up a bowl. And off camera, I added just a little splash of milk. Now it's time for the best part, the tasting. Here we go. Look at that. Have a bite. It's super moist. And I love that little tartness from the cranberries. And that little hint of maple from the maple extract. This is marvelous, my friends. Please give this recipe a try. This deserves another bite. Yum-o. Baked oatmeal-licious. My friends, I want to thank all y'all for watching and joining me in my southern kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video recipe, please give it a thumbs up. I really do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. Also follow me on social media, Facebook, Ellen's Homemade Delights, and Instagram at Ellen Delights. Don't forget to hashtag Ellen's Homemade Delights. And to purchase a cookbook along with your picture, please send me an email, ellenshomemade@gmail.com. I would love to see your beautiful creations with my recipes. And I'll see you next time. Let's eat. Much love. Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.